Drivers this holiday season are seeing the lowest price at the gas pump in 4 years, and that's expected to continue. Local 12's Paula Toti has a look at the drop and whether it's translating into more holiday spending.
Crude oil is in the $60 range, and the low price has quickly trickled down to the gas pumps. While you can always expect ups or downs any given day or week, the trend for the next several months is predicted to be down, and at the pump maybe even 15 to 20 cents lower by New Year's.
I just moved back here from Pittsburgh in August, and I am saving so much money on gas.
Peggy Lane's move pretty much coincided with the drop at the pump. Crude oil down 38% since June. The United States is pumping out the most oil in decades, and we have a big U.S. supply. Also, supply and demand is playing a bigger role, according to experts, in the price, as opposed to global politics. For shoppers, it's like getting a tax cut. The Washington Post has called the low prices a $230 billion windfall to the American economy. Retailers have hoped it would mean more holiday spending. We found...
No, not really.
Is it making you spend more this holiday season?
No, not really.
Still budget? Yeah.
I'm still budgeting and still watching my money.
Truth is, most people will tell you the recession taught them to be budget conscious. The holiday season is expected to be a plus for retailers, but as much because more people have jobs. But still, there is a ripple effect in the economy. A low oil price is deflationary, keeping the cost of goods down, and it could even have an impact on those much talked about interest rates. If prices don't rise, inflation isn't a fear, and interest rates won't have to rise to tame inflation. Even if the Federal Reserve raises short-term rates next year, mortgage rates should remain low, and that could do more for retailers than the gas prices. Still, being able to drive from store to store without watching every penny is nothing to take lightly.
The bottom line, it helps.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yes,
yeah.
Right. I wouldn't turn it down. Nope, every little bit helps.
Paula Toti, Local 12 News.
And OPEC said last week it would not cut production to raise oil prices, and that may force small U.S. suppliers out of business as the price of oil drops even more. Meanwhile, experts are predicting the price of crude oil in the new year are all over the map, really, from as low as $30 a barrel to as high as $80.